The mid to late 20th century was characterized by an optimistic vision of the 21st century. Shows like The Jetsons and Star Trek filled people with ideas of how technology would improve our lives. Among many ambitious projects of the time were concepts of entirely new cities. One such particularly intriguing planned city was a retirement community of the future called Habitat 2000. This $400 million development was envisioned to stretch across thousands of acres along the northwestern shore of the Salton Sea. This ambitious project was set to unfold over a span of 10 to 15 years. A LifeWatch health center and spa complex would be built, complete with restaurants, conference spaces, a marina, and a 6-story, 250-room hotel. The plan included 8 residential villages, each featuring around 1,200 homes, interconnected by walkways, golf courses, and bike paths. They had ambitious plans for a hospital, emergency response systems for the elderly, and even taxi services. The homes, starting at 1,400 square feet, would be constructed from concrete. Innovative features included the swing space, garage, which could double as additional living areas. The landscaping was intended to include a unique, micro-cool design, making outdoor recreational areas enjoyable year-round from the use of fountains, small lakes, and lush greenery. To ensure safety, a perimeter wall with secured entry points and a comprehensive security system would control access to the community. An experimental 162-acre lake was also under construction, aimed at testing new methods for desalinating water. Despite a groundbreaking ceremony on April 3, 1986, the installation of a solar-powered gate and the placement of a double-wide mobile home on the site as an engineering headquarters, progress on the project stalled significantly. Documentation surrounding this large-scale project is quite sparse. Only 2 sources talk about Habitat 2000, a now-defunct newspaper called the Salton Seafarer, and an urban area plan for the nearby Salton City. The Seafarer contained several articles discussing the project and its developers, but it inconsistently reported the size of Habitat 2000, at one point stating it would cover 2,000 acres, only to later revise it to 2,200 acres. In contrast, the Salton City Urban Plan only briefly references the community, but lists the project at just 1,720 acres. Ultimately, by 1990, Habitat 2000 was canceled. The reasons cited included a bureaucratic overload, with too many permits and demands for county improvements that were not directly related to the development. While not officially stated, the rapid environmental changes affecting the Salton Sea may have also contributed to the project's downfall. During the later part of the 20th century, the Salton Sea experienced significant rises in elevation due to high inflows. Communities like Bombay Beach had to construct seawalls to protect homes that were not already flooded. Additionally, the lake began to suffer from algae blooms, resulting in massive die-offs of fish. A rotten egg smell is now also emitted from the lake that has been detectable as far away as Los Angeles. All in all, not building an enormous retirement community of the future in this region was probably for the best. Imperial County has some of the worst air quality in California. As the Salton Sea now shrinks from water transfers, exposing lakebed emits additional dust, negatively affecting the health of an already large population of elders in the area.